through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.
Atoms that cannot be seen, can we count them, friends? When we understand mass and moles, we can find the number of particles too. Listen carefully to the first question. What is relative atomic mass? How is the mass of an atom compared with 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom? We compare the average mass of one atom of an element. The number obtained in this way is called relative atomic mass. It has no specific unit. Let us remember this fact. Hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16. Let us remember, friends. Listen carefully to the second question. What is molecular mass? How is it calculated? Take the number of each type of atom present in a molecule, multiply that number by its relative atomic mass. When all the values obtained are added together, the total mass of all the atoms is called molecular mass. Listen carefully to the third question. How do we calculate the molecular mass of water? The formula of water is H2O. It has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Now let us calculate the mass of hydrogen is 1. The mass of oxygen is 16. 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. 1 multiplied by 16 equals 16. When 2 and 16 are added, the answer obtained is 18. Therefore, the molecular mass of water is 18U. Listen carefully to the fourth question. What is gram molecular mass? When the numerical value of the molecular mass of a substance is expressed in grams, it is called gram molecular mass. The molecular mass of water is 18U. Therefore, the gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams. 18 grams of water contains 1 mole of water molecules. Atoms that cannot be seen, can we count them, friends? Listen carefully to the fifth question. What is molar mass? What is its unit? The mass of 1 mole of a substance is called molar mass. Molar mass is expressed in grams per mole. The molar mass of water is 18 grams per mole. Listen carefully to the sixth question. What is the mole concept? Why is the mole used in chemistry? To count extremely small atoms and molecules, to express ions and formula units in large groups, and to state the amount of a substance clearly. We use the mole concept, an important concept in chemistry. 1 mole means a fixed number of particles. They may be atoms, they may be molecules, they may be ions, or they may be formula units. Listen carefully to the seventh question. What is Avogadro number? What is its value? The number of particles present in 1 mole of a substance is called Avogadro number. Listen carefully to its value. 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23. That means 1 mole of a substance contains this many particles. Listen carefully to the eighth and final question. What is the relationship between mass, moles, and the number of particles? To find the number of moles, take the given mass. When it is divided by molar mass, the number of moles is obtained. Number of moles equals mass divided by molar mass. To find the number of particles, take the number of moles. When it is multiplied by Avogadro number, the number of particles is obtained. Number of particles equal number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. What should we do to find mass? Take the number of moles. When it is multiplied by molar mass, the mass of the substance is obtained. Mass equals number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Let us take water as an example. Take 18 grams of water. 18 grams of water means 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water contains Avogadro's number of
water molecules. Let us remember this fact. Atoms that cannot be seen. Can we count them, friends?
Dear children, through today's learning song, we have understood important concepts such as relative atomic mass, molecular mass, gram molecular mass, molar mass, the mole concept, Avogadro number, and the relationship between mass, moles, and the number of particles very easily. Now, let us recall once again the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song, in the same order. First question: what is relative atomic mass? How is the mass of an atom compared? Answer: relative atomic mass is the number obtained by comparing the average mass of one atom of an element with 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom. Relative atomic mass has no specific unit. For example, the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, that of carbon is 12, and that of oxygen is 16. Second question: what is molecular mass? How is it calculated? Answer: molecular mass is the total of the relative atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. The number of atoms of each element must be multiplied by its relative atomic mass. Then, all the values obtained must be added together to calculate the molecular mass. Third question: how is the molecular mass of water calculated? Answer: the formula of water is H2O. It contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. 1 multiplied by 16 equals 16. When 2 and 16 are added together, we get 18. Therefore, the molecular mass of water is 18U. Fourth question: what is gram molecular mass? Answer: when the numerical value of the molecular mass of a substance is expressed in grams, it is called gram molecular mass. The molecular mass of water is 18U. Therefore, the gram molecular mass of water is 18 grams. 18 grams of water contains 1 mole of water molecules. Fifth question: what is molar mass? What is its unit? Answer: the mass of 1 mole of a substance is called its molar mass. The unit of molar mass is gram per minute mole. For example, the molar mass of water is 18 grams per minute mole. Sixth question: what is the mole concept? Why is the mole used in chemistry? Answer: the mole is a concept used to represent very small atoms, molecules, ions, and formula units in large groups, and to express the amount of a substance clearly. 1 mole means a fixed number of particles. These particles may be atoms, molecules, ions. Seventh question: what is Avogadro number? What is its value? Answer: Avogadro number is the number of particles present in 1 mole of a substance. Its value is 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23. That means 1 mole of a substance contains 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23 particles. Eighth and final question: what is the relationship between mass moles and the number of particles? Answer: to calculate the number of moles, the given mass must be divided by the molar mass. That is, number of moles equals mass divided by molar mass. To calculate the number of particles, the number of moles must be multiplied by the Avogadro number. That is, number of particles equals number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. To calculate mass, the number of moles must be multiplied by the molar mass. That is, mass equals number of moles multiplied by molar mass. For example, 18 grams of water is 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water contains 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23 water molecules. Children, to receive learning songs like this in all subjects and in the language of your choice, you can become a member of the Paadi Padikkam group. To join the group, first scan the QR code that is now displayed on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you will receive the link to join the Paadi Padikkam group. Scan this QR code now. You can watch free sample lessons. After that, you can also join the Paadi Padikkam group. There is another option for those who are unable to scan the QR code. Those who are interested in becoming members may send a WhatsApp message to 90610322271. Type your name, your preferred language, and PMS in the message. The membership link will be sent back to you. With that, today's Padikkam. Let us learn through songs. Learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next learning song. Thank you. Namaste. I am your own Ivayan from Paadi Padikkam.
Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.